Good morning. Padmavati Junior College online classes. My name is E. M. Naidu, Principal of Padmavati Junior College and Mathematics Junior Lecturer. I did the topic second year mathematics. First complex numbers. Complex numbers 8 marks వస్తాయి. Definition of the complex number: a number of the type z equal to x plus iy, where x belongs to R and I equal to root minus 1 is called a complex number. Note, a complex number z equal to x plus iy is an ordered pair of real numbers. It is denoted by x, an ordered pair x comma y. X is real part of z and y is imaginary part of z. X is real part of z, y is imaginary part of z. Now the definition of addition of complex numbers. Addition of two complex numbers. Let z1 equal to a comma b in order pair, z2 equal to c comma d in order pair, two complex numbers. Two complex numbers. The addition of two complex numbers z1 plus z2. The addition of two complex numbers defined by z1 plus z2 is equal to a plus c and b plus d. This definition subtraction of two complex numbers. Let us take two complex numbers z1 equal to an order pair AB, z2 equal to an order pair CD. The subtraction of two complex numbers defined by the subtraction of two complex numbers defined by z1 minus z2 equal to a minus c, b minus d. Now the definition of multiplication of the complex numbers. Multiplication of two complex numbers. Let us take two complex numbers z1 equal to a comma b, z2 equal to c comma d. Let us take two complex numbers z1 z2. Now Z1 into Z2. Z1 dot Z2. A comma B dot C comma D. A plus IB multiply C plus ID. So the multiplication of these two complex numbers, A and ordered by AB, it is A plus IB, and ordered by CD is C plus ID. Now these two multiply. AC, now ADI, BCI, I square BD, where I square equal to -1. So now that equal to AC plus AD plus BC into I minus BD. So now the real part AC minus BD, now imaginary part AD plus BC. So that is equal AC minus BD, another pair AD plus BC. So now the definition of the multiplication of the two complex numbers Z1 Z2 is equal to AC minus BD, Z1 Z2 is equal to AC minus BD, AD plus BC is called the multiplication of two complex numbers. The multiplication of two complex numbers. Now the definition of division of two complex numbers. Division of two complex numbers. Division of two complex numbers. Let us take two complex numbers. Let Z1 equal to AB, Z2 equal to CD, and order to CD. Two complex numbers. Now Z1 by Z2, the division of two complex numbers Z1 Z2, Z1 by Z2 is equal to AB means A plus IB, CD means E plus ID. So now A plus IB rationalizing C minus ID, C plus ID into multiplied C minus ID. So we multiply the C minus ID numerator and denominator. It is called rationalizing. Now the value is AC minus ADI plus BCI minus I square BD whole by C square minus I square D square. So I square equal to -1, since so the value is AC plus BD, BC minus AD into I by C square plus D square. Since I square equal to -1, -1, -1 plus 1. Now AC plus BD by C square plus D square plus I into BC minus AD by c square plus d square. It is an order pair. Form of the order pair AC plus BD by c square plus d square BC minus CD by c square plus d square. It is the division of two complex numbers Z1 Z. It is called the division of the two complex numbers Z1 Z. Now we define conjugate of the complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. Conjugate of a complex number. Let Z is equal to x, y, that is x plus psi y. Is a complex number. Let us take Z equal to x, y, x plus psi y is a complex number. Is a complex number. Then x minus iy is called the conjugate of a complex number Z. The conjugate of a complex number Z. It is denoted by Z bar. Z bar Z equal to x plus iy implies the conjugate of the complex Z bar equal to x minus iy. Okay. Z is a complex number x plus iy. Z bar is the conjugate of the complex number of Z. It is x minus iy. Or not? Z equal to x plus iy implies Z bar equal to x minus iy. That implies Z bar whole bar that equal also x plus iy. So that is Z. So therefore Z bar whole bar equal to Z. Second one, Z into Z bar. So Z means x plus iy dot x minus iy. That equal to these two multiplied x square plus y square. That is mod Z bar square. So where is the definition of the mod Z? Modulus of a complex number modulus of a complex number. Let Z equal to x plus iy, a complex number. Then a non-negative real number, non-negative real number square root of x square plus y square is called the modulus of a complex number. Modulus of a complex number. Z equal to x plus iy is a complex number. Then a non-negative real number square root of x square plus y square is called the modulus of a complex number Z. So Z equal to x plus iy is denoted by mod Z. Z equal to x plus iy implies mod Z equal to square root of x square plus y square. This box is looking. It is the modulus of a complex number. Now note. Number 1, mod Z1 Z2 equal to mod Z1 to mod Z2. Second one, mod Z1 by Z2 equal to mod Z1 by mod Z2, where mod Z1 by mod Z2, where Z2 is not equal to the complex number 0. Now discuss some problems. Example, let Z equal to Z1 equal to 2 3, Z2 equal to 4 1. Then find Z1 plus Z2 and Z1 minus Z2. Okay, addition and subtraction. Z1 plus Z2 that equal to 2 3 plus 4 1. That is the 2 plus 4 3 plus 1. It is clear. 6, 4. Z1 minus Z2. 2 3 minus 4 1. That is 2 minus 4 3 minus 1. That is minus 2 and 2. Now some important points. Important points. Number 1 is that Z equal to AB is a complex number. Complex number. Is a complex number. Then the additive inverse of Z is minus Z. That is minus A minus B. Is called the additive inverse of the complex number Z. Now second one is, let Z equal to AB is a complex number. Then the multiplicative inverse of Z, the multiplicative inverse of Z is Z inverse. So that is equal 1 by Z, that is equal 1 by A plus IB. Now the rationalizing, apply A minus IB, A plus IB, and multiply A minus IB, that is equal A minus IB by A square minus plus B square, since I square equal minus 1, that is A by A square plus B square minus B by A square plus B square. So that is A by A square plus B square minus B by A square plus B square. Since I square equal to minus 1, it is the multiplication inverse of the complex number AB. Okay, Z equal to AB and order to AB. Now Z inverse is A by A square plus B square minus B by A square plus B square. It is the multiplication inverse of the complex number Z. Now now exercise. Exercise 1A. So number 1 is, if Z1 equal to 2 minus 1, Z2 equal to 6, 3, find Z1 minus Z2. Z1 minus Z2 solution. So Z1 minus Z2, the form 6 to 2 minus 1 minus 6, 3. Z1 is 2 minus 1, another pair. Z2 is 6, 3. Now subtract these two. 2 minus 6 minus 1 minus 3. That is equal minus 4 minus 4. It is the subtraction of these two complex numbers. Second problem. If Z1 equal to 3, 5 and Z2 equal to 2, 6, find Z1 multiplied Z2. Okay. 3, 5, 2, 6. Z1 is equal to 3, 5. That is 3 plus 5i. And Z2 2, 6. That is 2 plus 6i. Now these two multiply. Z1 dot Z2. 3 plus 5i multiply 2 plus 6i. Now these two, 3 2s are 6, 3 6, 18i, 10i. Now these two, 30i square. 6 plus 28i minus 30. Since I square equal to minus 1. Now 6 minus 30 minus 24 plus 28i. It is an order fit for minus 24 28. That is the solution. Now next, write the additive inverse of the following complex numbers. Write the additive inverse of the following complex numbers. The first one is √3, 5. Second one is -6, 5 plus 10 minus 4. Third one is 2, 1 dot -4, 6. Okay. Solution. The additive inverse of a complex number AB is minus z, that is minus a minus b. So the first one is the additive inverse of minus √3 5 is minus √3 minus 5. That is the additive inverse. Second one, first these two addition, z equal to -65 plus 10 minus 4. Now these two addition, -6 plus 10, 5 minus 4, that is 4, 1. Now the additive inverse of 4, 1. The additive inverse of an order of 4, 1 is -4 minus 1. Third one, z equal to 2, 1 dot -4, 6. Now these two multiply, that equal to 2 plus I multiply -4 plus 6i -6 plus 12i minus 4i plus 6i square -6 plus 8i minus 6, since I square equal to -1. Now these two minus 14 plus 8i, that is minus 14 and 8. So now the additive inverse of -14, 8 is 14 minus 8. Now next problem discuss. Now second round. Round number 2. First one, if z equal to 6, 3, z1 equal to z2 equal to 2 minus 1, find z1 by z2. z1 equal to 6, 3, z equal to 2 minus 1. Solution. Z1 equal to 6, 3. That is 6 plus 3i. Z2 equal to 2 minus 1. That is 2 minus I. Now we divide these two complex numbers Z1 by Z2. 6 plus 3i, 2 minus I. Now applying the rationalizing, 6 plus 3i, 2 plus I by 2 minus I multiplied 2 plus I. These two multiply 12 plus 6i plus 6i. Now these two plus 3i square. 4 minus I square. 12 plus 12i minus 3 by 4 plus I. 12 plus 1. Since I square equal to minus 1. So now that is equal 12 minus 3, 9. 9 plus 12i by 5. So that is 9 by 5 plus 12 by 5i. Now it is an order pair. 9 by 5, 12 by 5. It is the division of two complex numbers Z1, Z2. Another problem. Second problem. If Z equal to cos theta sin theta, find Z minus 1 by Z. Z equal to. Okay. We solve this problem. Solution. Z equal to cos theta, comma sin theta. In order that it is it equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Now we find first 1 by Z. 1 by Z. That is 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. So we have rationalizing, applying the rationalizing cos theta minus I sin theta by cos theta plus I sin theta multiply cos theta minus I sin theta. Okay, that equal cos theta minus I sin theta by cos square theta minus plus sin square theta. Since I square equal to minus 1, so that equal cos theta minus I sin theta. Since cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, so now Z minus 1 by Z. Z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta minus half cos theta minus I sin theta. That is equal cos theta plus I sin theta minus cos theta plus I sin theta. These two cancel. Now 2I sin theta. So now it is the form of real and imaginary part. 0 plus 2 sin theta I. So that is 0 an order pair, form of the order pair 2 sin theta. Okay, it is Z minus 1 by Z. Now the third problem. Finally, if write the multiplicative inverse of third one. Write the multiplicative inverse of the following complex numbers. Number 1 is 3, 4, second one sin theta cos theta, third one 7, 24, fourth one -2, 1. Solution first one at z equal to 3, 4, that is b plus 4i. The matrix inverse of z, the multiplication inverse of z is z inverse, that is 1 by z, that equal to 1 by 3 plus 4i. Now again applying rationalizing, 3 minus 4i, 3 plus 4i, multiply 3 minus 4i, that equal 3 minus 4i, 3 square 9 minus 16i square, 3 minus 4i, 9 plus 16, 3 minus 4i by 25, 3 by 25 minus 4 by 25 I. It is an order play. 3 by 25 minus 4 by 25. Second method. The matrix inverse of form using the formula. The multiplication inverse of z equal to AB is z inverse, that equal to a by a square to b square minus b by a square to b square. We are using the formula z inverse. Z inverse is a multiplication inverse of the complex number z. A by a square to b square, comma minus b by a square to b square. So now the first problem. First one, z equal to 3, 4. So implies then the multiplication inverse of z is an object is z inverse. So now using the formula a by a square to b square minus b by a square to b square. Now what is the value of a? A equal to 3, b equal to 4. So we substitute this 3 by 3 square plus 4 square minus 4 by 3 square plus 4 square. So that is 3 by 25 minus 4 by 25. In similar way, to solve the problem second, third, fourth. Now the solution of second one. Z equal to sin theta cos theta. Let Z equal to, using the formula the multiplication inverse of z is z inverse formula a by a square to b square minus b by a square to b square. So that is sin theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta minus cos theta by sin square theta plus cos square theta. So that is, we have sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 sin theta minus cos theta. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. In similar way, we solve the next two problems. Third one, z equal to 7, 24. Then z inverse equal to 7 by 7 square plus 24 square minus 24 by 7 square plus 24 square. That is 7 by 49 plus 576. 625 minus 24 by 49 576. That is 7 by 625 minus 24 by 625. And the fourth one, W problem in similar way. Z equal to minus 2 1. Then Z inverse equal to, using the formula, Z inverse equal to minus 2 by minus 2 square plus 1 square minus 1 by minus 2 square plus 1 square. That is equal to minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5.